Magandang araw. Ako si Mark Leonel Moreno Cardenas Jr., Pangulo ng Naboteño Minimum Wage Workers Union, na kumakatawan sa mga manggagawa ng Nabotas Industrial Corporation. At narito ang logo namin. The color blue stands for trust and unity. The green is for the growth and security of family. The gold symbolizes dignity and the right to a decent life. At sa gitna naman, may kita ang worker in uniform and cap, hawak ang coin with the dollar sign. Malinaw na simbolo ng laban para sa living wage. Sa magkabilang gilid may laurel branches na nagsasabi ng honor, unity at victory. At sa ibaba, nakalagay ang EST 2026, ang taon ng pagkakatatag ng aming union. The design reflects our members and our company, mga ordinaryong manggagawa ng Nabotas Industrial Corporation na sama-sama, united, at proud sa ating collective struggle. Our vision is a future where every worker earns a wage that truly supports a family and a community. Our mission is to fight for fair wages, uphold labor standards, and strengthen solidarity among workers. Ngayon, pag-usapan natin ang minimum wage concern. Bagamat may legal minimum wage, marami pa ring workers ang hindi sapat ang kita para sa pagkain, tirahan at edukasyon. The rising cost of living makes it harder for family kahit buong araw silang nagtatrabaho. Mga kapwa manggagawa, panahon na para tayo magkaisa. Minimum wage should not mean minimum life. It should be humane. Let's demand wages that reflects our efforts, sacrifice, and real needs. Workers' rights are human rights. Bilang inyong union president, nananawagan ako. Join the fight, support the union, spread the message. Dignidad para sa bawat manggagawa. Ngayon na,